N735G. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore everything you need to know about this groundbreaking device, from its price and release date to its innovative features, specs, and more. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this exciting journey into the future of mobile technology. Let's kick things off with the burning question on everyone's mind. How much will the Nokia N73 cost, and when can we expect it to hit the shelves? While official pricing details are yet to be revealed by Nokia, industry insiders speculate that the N73 will be competitively priced to appeal to a wide range of consumers. As for its release date, rumors suggest that the device could make its grand debut in the latter half of current year. However, eager fans will have to stay tuned for an official announcement from Nokia for confirmation. When it comes to design, Nokia has always been synonymous with elegance and durability, and the N73 is no exception. Boasting a sleek and modern aesthetic, this device exudes sophistication from every angle. Its premium build quality ensures a comfortable grip and a reassuring sense of durability, making it the perfect companion for your on-the-go lifestyle. Whether you're attending a business meeting or exploring the great outdoors, the Nokia N73 is designed to complement your style while withstanding the rigors of everyday use. Prepare to be mesmerized by the stunning visuals offered by the Nokia N73's immersive display. With its vibrant colors, crisp details, and expansive viewing area, every image and video comes to life with breathtaking clarity. Whether you're streaming your favorite movies, playing graphic-intensive games, or simply browsing the web, the N73's display elevates your multimedia experience to new heights. Say goodbye to pixelation and hello to a world of visual splendor with the Nokia N73. Get ready to capture the world in unprecedented detail with the Nokia N73's revolutionary 2MP camera. Yes, you heard that right, minus 200 megapixels of photographic prowess packed into a single device. Whether you're a professional photographer or an amateur enthusiast, the N73 empowers you to unleash your creativity and capture every moment with stunning clarity and precision. From sweeping landscapes to intricate close-ups, this camera lets you express yourself like never before. Plus, with advanced imaging technologies and intuitive shooting modes, you can take your photography to the next level with ease. Under the hood, the Nokia N73 is powered by a cutting-edge processor and ample RAM, ensuring smooth and responsive performance no matter what task you throw at it. Whether you're multitasking between apps, streaming high-definition content, or gaming for hours on end, the N73 delivers a seamless user experience that keeps up with your fast-paced lifestyle. Say goodbye to lag and hello to uninterrupted productivity and entertainment with the Nokia N73. Stay connected to the world around you with the Nokia N73's lightning-fast 5G connectivity. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or video calling friends and family, you can enjoy blazing fast speeds and reliable connectivity wherever you go. Say goodbye to buffering and hello to uninterrupted communication and entertainment with the Nokia N73. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about battery life, a crucial aspect of any modern